Hello guys, this is God's Power again. So today we are going to talk about how you can make money with affiliate marketing and how you can make money in other free ways. So this free way don't even require you, they require your time, and that is all you just need. Affiliate marketing, you can do the work today and tomorrow you can start making passive income with affiliate marketing. But this one, which is free method that you can use to make money, you are the one that will be doing the job every time you know you need money. I'm going to talk about how you can make money with affiliate marketing first. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you go to a particular company and this company is going to pay you for sending traffic to their website. So how does it work? This company, which is affiliate program, they have on their website, they have a particular page that will allow you to register. So when you are done registering, they will give you a particular link, and through this link that they give you, you will now start sending traffic to that link. So they will be tracking that your link to know that you are the one that send the traffic to them. So anyone that buy anything from there, like take services or pick their take their services plan or buy their products, you that send the traffic to them, you are going to be making 10% to 60% commission. It depends on how much the company are willing to pay you for sending traffic to that their product or services. So that is how affiliate marketing work. I hope you get idea of how it works. So what are the best platform that you can use to start promoting affiliate products? There's a website that will pop up on the screen that is called CJ, which is Commission Junction. This platform is a big platform. Let me say, is one of the big marketplace of affiliate programs where you can go create your account and you have a bunch of companies that you can partner with, and you are getting paid by sending traffic to them, sending buyers to them. You are getting paid. So that is how this company work, which is called CJ, which is Commission Junction. So the second platform that you can still use to promote affiliate program is called Impact. Impact is one of the big platform too that you can go sign up and enter all your payment method, and once you are done with that, start promoting their product. You can join a bunch of companies, start promoting them, and you are getting paid once your visitors or your client buy anything from them. So yeah, what I need to talk about affiliate marketing. But let me say one thing again about affiliate marketing before I go into the free method that you can use to make money online. So one thing I want you to understand about affiliate marketing is a long-time commission. I call it a passive income machine. Why did I call it passive income machine? Is because affiliate marketing, you just do the work and you might be making lifetime commission from only one person. How does it work in this way? Let me say, for example, you are sending traffic to a company that will be paid, that have a subscription on their platform. So because this company have a subscription on their platform, so this company might put a tier commission. A tier commission is, let's say for example, this company on their affiliate program, they said that they are going to be paying monthly to you that send the traffic, that send that customer to them each month, as long as the customer, which is the client that visited their website, he engaged on their product and he continued buying it every single month, which is their monthly subscription. You, as the publisher that send the traffic to them, you are going to be making passive income every single month. That is where affiliate marketing is very, very good. So it's one of the best opportunities that everyone can join and start using to make passive income online. That is why I said you can make passive income from affiliate marketing. I hope you like it, and if you like it, all I just want from you in return, click that subscribe button, and this will help me to make more video like this. So we are going to focus now on the free ways. So what are these free ways? So there's a free ways that you can use to make money online. Let me list them. That you can watch videos and you are getting paid. You can complete tasks like complete tasks. What is your name? My name is John, just for example, and you are getting paid. So you can start downloading application, you are getting paid. You download the application, you will get paid for doing that. You can complete a particular task, like they will tell you, okay, go and take a picture and send it to me in a particular place, and you are getting paid in return. There's a bunch of ways you can really use to make money online. You can download the application, use it for 2 minutes, you are getting paid with this free method. So this is a paid survey site that allows you to do a bunch of things and you are getting paid. Let me say, for example, if you are someone who like playing games, you can use this method to start making money online. So those websites that you can use to start making money with this method that I just listed, you can use a website like Featurepoints to start using to make money online. You can use a Prizerebel, you can use a Grabpoints. So those are companies that you can use to make money online for free. You can use a Paidviewpoints. All those websites I'm calling, that those are websites that allows you to take service online and you are getting paid in return. I hope you get idea of what I'm talking about here. So all those websites, all of them will be in the description below, and you can go try them out and let me know what you think about them. And yeah, I'll end this video from here, and all I ask in return, just click that subscribe button, and don't forget again to let your friend know about God's Power Ugiagbe. So share my video with your friend, and keep on sharing my video. Yeah, don't forget again, smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget again, if you want to talk to me directly, you can talk to me on my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or my TikTok account. It depends on where you find me, so just go and search for I am Real God's Power. You can find me in all social platforms. So go and connect with me, and let us keep on making money online. So I will say thank you very much, and see you soon on the next